welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your driver's license in North Carolina. First of all, you write how to get your driver's license in North Carolina, and then you click on here. And after you click here, you're going to see that you need to go to a DMV here. You're going to click on Learn More. And then the first thing that you have to do is go to a NC DMV services such as driver's license renewal and vehicle registration can be performed at any places. You can find them. Just search up NC DMV. Um, in the Google Maps or Maps and find the closest location to you and set a date, make an appointment online. You can click on here and then you'll be able to make an appointment. And depends on your appointment. Let's say you want to get a first year driver's license, you gotta like choose that option, and the wait times can be long. And then make sure to visit early so that your license renewal or whatever it's called gets to the right place. And then for getting a driver's license, make sure to get the right documents. So go to nc.gov and then make sure to go ahead and bring the right documents and get ready. And don't forget to holidays and more. So for getting a standard driver's license, you need to be at least 18 years old to get the learner permits. And then after you get your learner permit, you're gonna take a road test. And also you have to take a course online. And then you need to get the document online with your full name, proving identity and date of birth. And you need to get your social security card and other things that are listed here, as you guys can see. And also make sure to make an appointment by clicking here, make an appointment for in North Carolina and find the acceptable documents, and you can click on make appointment, and then it will take you to this portal where you can make appointment. You can click on make an appointment and it will ask you like which driver's license you want. We want the driver's license, not the trucker license. And then it's gonna ask us for the address that we need. So I'm gonna choose the address that's closest to my location, and then I'm gonna choose this one, and I will like easily choose it and I can like fill out my information. So make sure to bring the right documents and make sure that you are going to the right place, the closest location. And that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.